Naa na bidiri sa iya ang hunasan.
Hi.
Thank you for inviting us. So, unsa ang atong pwede makuha diri, ma'am?
Pitiyo. Oy, may alakaak.
Pitiyo.
Oh my God.
Pitiyo? That's bastos in our ano.
Intel. See?
Hoy, it's so small.
Alakaak.
Alakaak, yan.
Yan, oh.
Eat it.
It's black color.
Ah,
It's not for
it's not for eating when it's black. Okay.
the yellowish one.
Ma'am, nga wala man nimo gipasiminto imong hunasan para magdali ra ta og lakaw, di ta maglubong-lubong.
Thinking what to, you know,
Ako imo sang hunahuna akong suggestion.
I cannot contact my engineer, my designer.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no.
You know, it's really hard to become rich.
Yeah.
No.
I feel you.
So,
It's not easy to be rich.
yeah, very, very, very easy to become rich. You know what? We need to
What? We need to
find,
what?
what? The big one?
Alakaak?
No, the
Dalo-dalo?
Okay, I need to find first.
Okay. Then show us
Yeah.
what.
A lot of
Unsay,
alakaak
unsay.
here.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh no. What about this one? A crab.
Oh yeah, crab. Crab.
A king crab?
No. See? Tapok-tapok.
No, it's so maliit.
Yeah, it's
Just-
maliit. That's why
We have
I am
to.
very choosy.
Yeah.
I need to. Oh my gosh, guys, dito is split. Oh my god.
You're stuck, ma'am. You're stuck. You need help? Among ipakita ninyo kung unsa ka lisod ang
Nabuhin dako.
kinanabuhi sa tag-iya sa hunasan. Dili sa yun.
Nagka-arty-arty ha? Bawal ba arty dito?
Even though she's a millionaire, ginashow gyud niya nato kung unsa gyud ang kinabuhi niya sa una before siya nag-iya og kanang kanang hunasan. So atoa siyang appreciate na to ang iya ang effort.
Oh, see?
What's that?
Fine,
Asindoy.
no.